In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set units in in AutoCAD. If you regularly work with manufacturing drawings, product design, or anything that needs metric dimensions, setting your drawing to millimeters helps keep everything consistent. The process is simple and quick, and I'll walk you through exactly what it does and what it doesn't do so you avoid common pitfalls. Start in your drawing and type units into the command line. Then press Enter. This opens the Drawing Units dialog. It's a small but important window where AutoCAD defines how your drawing interprets measurements. You'll see options for length type and precision, angle display, and the setting we care about right now, the insertion scale. In the dialog, locate the drop-down labeled Insertion Scale. This setting tells AutoCAD what unit your current drawing uses when you bring in external content, like blocks or external references. Changing it makes sure that content created in millimeters comes in at the correct size, and that anything you insert respects the unit system you're working in. From that drop-down, select millimeters. Once you choose millimeters, your drawing is set to interpret inserted content and certain unit-aware features in metric. That's it for the unit setup. It's a small change that prevents a lot of headaches when collaborating or reusing content from libraries that expect metric units. Now, a very important note. Switching the insertion scale to millimeters does not automatically scale your existing geometry. AutoCAD is essentially unitless. A length of 100 is just 100 until you decide what those numbers represent. If your drawing was created in inches, the lines, arcs, and blocks in it will still be at their original numeric sizes after you change the unit setting. The insertion scale only affects how new content is interpreted as it comes in, not what's already there. So, if you need your current geometry to truly be in millimeters, you will need to manually scale everything yourself. That means determining the correct scale factor for your situation. For example, converting from inches to millimeters typically uses a factor of 25.4, and applying it consistently to your model. Before you do that, it's a good idea to make a backup, confirm a known measurement so you can verify the result, and be mindful of annotations, dimensions, or title blocks that may require separate attention after scaling. And that's all there is to it. Type units, set the insertion scale to millimeters, and remember that existing geometry won't rescale automatically. With that in place, you'll be set up for clean, consistent metric work moving forward.